Good morning. Whew. I have not picked up a camera or my phone to vlog in some days. So I thought I would today. Today is probably going to be just a normal, everyday quarantine day in quarantine life. But I thought I would pick it up today just because we have so much happening in the world. We have COVID, we have the pandemic, we have protesters out there protesting for Black Lives Matter. Like, so many things are happening. During this whole pandemic, I've kept the girls in the house. Like, Amari definitely is aware of COVID-19. She's definitely aware of what's happening, but she hasn't really had to deal with it because I've kept her in the house pretty much, at least on my end. I don't know if she's had to deal with it on the other end with her other mother, but here, I keep the girls in the house. We've just kind of been here playing and having fun. To the girls, this is probably the best thing ever, for mommy to be home and they get to play with toys. So yeah, so good morning. The girls are still asleep. It is probably 10 o'clock in the morning. This is the latest they've slept in a long time. Mari wasn't feeling well yesterday. Avery was kind of not herself yesterday either. They both been to bed pretty late, and then they got up at like 4 or 5 in the morning. I don't know why they got up so early. And then they went back to sleep. I look a mess. And then they went back to sleep. So they've been back to sleep since about 5 this morning. So that's why it's now 10 o'clock. And mommy's still in the bed, which is awesome. And the girls are still asleep, and I'm enjoying my coffee in my bed. Something I don't get to do very often. So I'm enjoying it. But yeah, I thought I'd just grab the camera really quick and have a conversation with you guys. Oh, Munchkin's awake. Yep. Good morning, Munchkins. You awake?
Oh, the iPad's dead, Avery.
Uh-oh, Avery. You have to get Dada's iPad. Or Avery's iPad. You gotta charge that one. I know. Good morning.
Here we go.
See, we're fussing already this morning. Mari, how do you feel, pumpkin?
I feel better.
Okay. Mari. Alright, girls are up. I'm about to fix the girls' breakfast. Avery likes, please don't mind me, I'm a mess. Avery likes strawberry milk in the morning. That's kind of equivalent to her coffee. So I usually fix her strawberry milk in the morning. Mari wants cereal this morning because she wasn't feeling well yesterday, so she didn't really get to eat much of what she liked. So I'm about to make the girls, Avery strawberry milk and Mari cereal. Probably make Avery something light. She's not a big breakfast person, so she usually likes something like cereal or like waffles or like toast. So we'll see. So the girls like to do different things in the morning. Avery likes to chill out in the room with her cup of milk, watch a little YouTube Kids. Avery Boo Bye. Can you say good morning? All your milk's gone? Yes. Okay. You want your toast? No? Okay, mommy will put it on your Minnie Mouse tray, okay? You don't want Minnie Mouse tray? You want to eat in the living room? No, you don't want to do anything. Okay, give me your cup. You want more? No. No. Okay. Mari likes to eat her cereal in the morning. Say good morning, Mari.
Mama.
Yes. So she likes to watch her YouTube or Disney in the morning when she gets up and eats cereal, usually. Oh, I did rearrange the living room. If you guys can tell, it's different. I ordered couch covers, I ordered a rug, and I ordered a new coffee table. The new coffee table, I'm not happy because it has a chip in it. It came from Walmart. I'm about to send it back. Babe said he could fix it, but I don't know. So we'll see. And then Lola's chilling in a new cage over there, making a mess, I'm sure, as usual. And yeah. That's the beginning of our day, guys. Now I need to eat some breakfast.
Wow, how do you feel about
All right, hello, people. It is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I have accomplished absolutely nothing. It's just one of those days. The house is super quiet.
What are you doing?
Go brush your teeth, Amari.
What you doing?
Recording. Say hi.
Hi.
Say Amari's about to go brush her teeth, right, Amari?
Yeah.
Okay, go brush them.
Can I just need a fight?
Oh, well, nobody needs to know that, ma'am. Go in the bathroom.
Well, it's not coming out.
Okay.
It's coming out. It's coming out.
There you go. Did you pass gas?
Yeah.
Okay, now go brush your teeth, please. So, not much is happening today. It's a pretty chill day. Bay is at work. Avery is in the girls' room, pretty much just watching YouTube. Amari's been hanging out in the living room playing with her dolls. And I just told her to go brush her teeth because she has not this morning. It's already afternoon. I was on the phone with Babe for his lunch break, so I sat down and talked to him. He usually calls me while he's on his lunch break, so I sat down and spoke to him on the phone. And that's been about it. That's pretty much what I've accomplished today, guys. It's terrible. I do have a video to edit for this week that I want to put out or put on YouTube. What else do I have to do? I'm still putting together Mari's birthday and Father's Day. Like, I am putting together Father's Day stuff for Bay. So I don't know, maybe today I'll have the girls make his plate for Father's Day, and also have another little art project for them to do for him for Father's Day. So we shall see. Other than that, nothing is happening today. It's just a leisure day. It is Tuesday. It is June 2nd, so it's hashtag Blackout Tuesday. So, are you brushing your teeth, ma'am?
Mm-hmm.
How about you go brush them in the bathroom? Why are you brushing them in Mommy's room? I don't think that's where you brush them. Okay, go in the bathroom before you make mess, please. It is Mari. Stop brushing your teeth in Mommy's room, please. Nobody wants to see you brush your teeth. I know you don't, but go finish. Silly children. So, as I was saying, today is hashtag Blackout Tuesday for everybody out there that by the time I put this video, it'll probably be over and everybody knows what's happening. You know, everybody kind of protesting against police brutality. So no one's posting on social media today. Nobody's streaming anything. So, you know, all of that. Like, so me and the girls have kind of just been chilling in the house. I mean, Avery is still watching YouTube, but you know, she's 2. She doesn't understand what's happening. So I'm not going to take her YouTube away from her. Yes, ma'am. Well, your face is gonna fall off.
No, it's not.
Well, if you don't wash it, you're gonna get another pimple.
I want another pimple.
You want another pimple? Well, it's very important to wash your face. Mommy washed hers.
How about you slam the camera?
No, thank you, ma'am. All right, either go wash your face or go play.
No.
No. Okay. So, anywho, that's just the gist of today. Nothing's really happening.
Ow!
What happened?
What is wrong with you? Why you slam my...
Alright, the girls are dressed as princesses and coloring and doing puzzles, but we actually need to get out of the house, so maybe get some fresh air. So I figured we can go to the park and walk around, so that's what we're about to do. Alright, girls, so we made it to the park. Are you ready?
I made it to the park and I have a sticker on my eye.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Make me trip. It's a fire ant!
Alright, so we are officially home.
There's two babies, you know?
Mari is playing Roblox, as usual.
What is wrong? I don't have no family.
Since we've gotten home from the park. Mommy's tired. Children are tired.
Because we've been on a journey and the park was closed. Because it might take forever for you to get there.
Yeah.
So
Mari wasn't a fan of the nature trail. You didn't like it? It wasn't fun.
That sounds disgusting.
And here is Miss Avery Bill. Miss Avery loved the nature trail, but unfortunately knocked out in the car on the way back. I stopped at Checkers and got us some treats. Avery hasn't drank hers yet. Her milkshake is still right here. The girls were playing out in the living room so earlier today, but yeah, so we're back home now. And Avery Boo is knocked out. I'm about to wake her up because she has to go to bed later tonight.
I still need to get it. I got a camera.
You got a camera?
I got a camera on here. Oh, I can even take videos too.